Before we proceed to the next exercise, now today we'll discuss about the product of two matrices. It is very important for further exercises and also very important for determinants. Now before multiplying two matrices, we have to know about that either these two matrices product exist or not. Now what is the condition for this? How we check these two matrices are multiplied? We can find their product or not. For this, if the product of AV2 matrices A and B exists, then A and B is said to be conformable for multiplication. Now what is the condition for this conformable? For that, the product of AB is defined if the number of column, we know that if A is any matrix Aij M cross N and another matrix B is equal to Bij N cross P, then how we know that either we can multiply these two matrices or not? For that, just look at the condition, and very important for that, the number of column of A is equal to the number of rows of B. It means the number of column, in this case what is the number of column? N. And in B what is the number of rows? N. So they must be equal. Then we can say that it is conformable or the product of two matrices exist, otherwise not. Now one more important thing, if we are multiplying these two matrices, what is the result? What is the result of the new matrix? What is the order of new matrix? For that we have M cross N and N cross P. Okay, so this N and this N is eliminated and the result is M cross P. So our new matrix will be, suppose C is equal to Cij, so our new matrix is M cross P. Now let we check the existence of two matrices. We have a matrix C and D. C is a matrix of order 2 cross 3 and D is a matrix of 3 cross 2. Okay, we have already discussed that. First we have to check either these two matrices can be exist, the product of these two matrices are exist or not. For that we have the first matrix, we have 2 cross 3 and 3 cross 2. So what is the number of columns? 3. Number of rows? 3. So it is exist. Now the result is what? The result is, the resulting matrix is the order of 2 cross 2 because this 2 and this 3 and this 3 is eliminated. Okay, now the question raised in our mind, that is DC, the product of DCs exist or not? Okay, let's look at that. We'll write first DC, first D 3 cross 2 and then C, what? 2 cross 3. Again the number of column of this and number of rows is this is equal. So what is the order of new matrix? 3 cross 3.